just love the look of eyelashes, but I do not love how much time it takes to put them on and the margin of error for putting on false eyelashes. Plus, sometimes they feel heavy. I wear contacts. Sometimes they irritate my eyes. They dry out my eyes. All of that. For a while, I even wanted to try out other eyelash enhancements. And then I was like, those things are all temporary. So in speaking to my good friends at Dermalogica Caribbean, I learned about RevitaLash. For anyone who doesn't know, RevitaLash is a product that helps to enhance your eyelashes. And it was actually developed by a doctor, and the story behind it is really cool. His wife was diagnosed with cancer, and through the treatment she started losing her eyelashes and even her eyebrows. He wanted to find a solution that would help her to just feel like herself again, to feel beautiful again. What became of it was this product that's now RevitaLash, that's helping women to achieve better, fuller eyelashes. And who doesn't love great eyelashes? I'm about to do an experiment to see if it really works. Obviously, I'm wearing false eyelashes now, but I am going to take these off so that we can see what my eyelashes look like now before trying the product. So I'm back with my real skin. I took all my makeup off. I am ready to cleanse my lashes so that I can start using the RevitaLash. So I'm going to be using the micellar water lash wash that came with the gift set and a piece of cotton to clean my lashes. Just spray it on. And I'm going to wipe lash line. So especially since I had makeup on today and I used the Dermalogica pre-cleanse to clean my face, it's important to clean your lashes because even when you think your face is clean, there can always be residue left on your lashes. So RevitaLash is a lash conditioner, and you have to follow the directions specifically if you want to achieve the results. It says, physician-developed breakthrough eyelash conditioning formula designed to enhance the beauty of less than ideal lashes. So these are my eyelashes. They are okay in length, but sometimes they're very little, to the point where if you take a photo of me in portrait mode, it will cut my eyelashes off. I know that because my husband has one of those photos on his phone. It looks like I don't have any eyelashes because portrait mode decided that they were too insignificant to remain in focus for the photo. I digress. So this contains scientifically advanced biopeptin complex and natural botanicals to help protect against breakage and brittleness while improving flexibility, moisture, and shine for bold, beautiful, more dramatic looking lashes. You're supposed to apply it once a day in the center of your lash. So not directly along the lash line and not at the ends of your lash, but in the center. You're supposed to let it dry completely before applying any additional beauty products, such as mascara. So let's give it a try. And it has such a fine brush so that you can get right where you need to get. So let's try it out. I don't even know. I need a mirror. All of my mirrors are out of reach at the moment, so I'm going to be using my phone as a mirror. That's 1, 2. If you get it into your eyes, you should wash it out immediately. My first application of RevitaLash, and we'll see how my lashes look. They estimate that it'll take anywhere between 4 and 6 weeks for you to begin to see results, dramatic results, because it depends on what the life cycle of your eyelashes is like. So if you have a faster cycle, you may see your results closer to 4 weeks. If you have a slower cycle, you'll see it close to 6 weeks. So I don't know what my lash cycle is like, but we'll just hang in there for 4 to 6 weeks and see what happens. I'll see you at the next update. And also my skin will be looking better at the next update. So it has been about 2 months since I first tried RevitaLash, and I have noticed some real results. So these are going to be my impressions after trying it for about 8 weeks. Now, for anyone who doesn't know, RevitaLash is a lash conditioner. If you look at the beginning part of this video, you'll see that I don't have much eyelashes without mascara on. And now I'm just wearing a light layer of mascara. According to the packaging, the scientifically advanced biopeptin complex and natural botanicals help protect against breakage and brittleness while improving flexibility, moisture, and shine for bold, beautiful, more dramatic looking lashes. And that's what Revitalash calls the curl effect. That biopeptin complex in Revitalash helps to give your lashes a natural curl and lift. So it's like a lash lift in a bottle. There's real lift, real curl, and real lashes. I noticed a few years ago that if I don't wear mascara, it looks like I don't have any eyelashes at all. But since I've been using this, and I used it consistently for about 6 weeks before kind of slacking off. But when I was using it consistently, I noticed that during the daytime when I wasn't wearing any makeup, my eyelashes were still pretty pronounced and they looked shiny and healthy. I'm also a contact lens wearer, and so sometimes I have to deal with like touch my eyelashes a lot, and I used to experience like breakage, or I'd noticed, eyelashes in my eyes. But since using this, I haven't noticed that as much. In addition to using the RevitaLash Lash Conditioner, I've also been using this RevitaLash mascara, which comes with a primer and a mascara. And this has definitely helped to enhance my natural eyelashes. So I haven't worn false eyelashes in a very long time. Probably since I recorded the intro of this video 2 months ago. So I'm going to show you what the primer looks like. And it looks blue on the wand. But the primer, and you follow that with the mascara. And that combination really helps to lengthen and define your eyelashes. So overall, would I recommend Revitalash? Sure, if you are looking to enhance your natural eyelashes without wearing false eyelashes, yes, this lash conditioner is great. But one thing that you should be aware of is it's not an overnight solution. So everything that I've read, and even when I first got this product from Dermalogica, they told me it's not going to happen overnight. It takes about the life cycle of your natural lashes for you to see real results. So for some people that can be 4 weeks, for other people it can be 8 weeks. For me, it was somewhere between 4 and 6 weeks, and from what I've read, 6 weeks is typical for you to see the results. So if you're going to try this, be patient. Overall, it is definitely worth the money. This tube is good for 12 months, and for anyone who doesn't know, on all of your beauty products there will be a little symbol in there, and it will have a number in there followed by the letter M, and that will tell you how long your cosmetics are good for. So if you haven't checked already, check. So this tube is good for 12 months, and I can feel that there's still a good amount of product in here, even though I have been using it almost daily for the past 2 months. So as I've mentioned, I am a contact lens wearer, and I didn't experience any irritation or side effects when wearing my contacts. You should decide early on if you want to use it at morning or night, because that will make a difference how you use the product. I chose to use it in the mornings, so after I brush my teeth, I would just apply my lash conditioner and I'd be good for the day. Also, because if you plan to wear mascara or anything, you have to make sure you let the lash conditioner dry before you apply anything else on top of it. If you use it at nighttime, and say you've worn a full face of makeup during the day, after you remove your makeup, whatever you're using as your makeup remover, it will leave a residue on your eyelashes, and that residue can affect how the product works. So if you wanted to apply it after removing your makeup and cleansing, then they recommend that you use a micellar lash water to clean your lashes. just to make sure that there's no residue that will interfere with how the product works. And this is a really nice product. It's gentle, it doesn't irritate my eyes. I also have sensitive skin and I wear contacts, so I have to be very careful about what I use in my eye area. This didn't leave any irritation, it didn't cause any sensitivity. And this can also be used if you wear the individual lash extensions. You can use this as a lash wash, because I've never worn the individual lash extensions, but from what I understand, you can't exactly wash them out like how you'd wash your natural eyelashes. So that does it for my overall review, my impressions of Revitalash. Again, if you want to see before and after photos, I will put them in this video. Revitalash Advanced Eyelash Conditioner. I am pleased with the results. This is just one coat of mascara that I have on my natural eyelashes right now, and it would not look like this before using the lash conditioner, so I'm pretty impressed with the results that I got. Again, this is after about 8 weeks of use, and I was pretty consistent for the first 6 weeks, and then I kind of slacked off. So have you tried an eyelash conditioner before? If you have, which one have you tried? And what were your results? Or are you in the other group of people and you would just rather put on the false eyelashes? Let me know, leave a comment. So please don't forget to like, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. It helps a lot, and I will see you in the next one.